So everything starts with an idea, and that idea can take the form of a napkin sketch. It can be something that's trapped in a client's mind and they just can't quite get out there, and they just have a problem they want to solve. They have something that they want to be able to build. So our fundamental approach is really to understand what the customer is trying to do and what the customer is trying to obtain and create and what's in their heads so that we can get it into a manufacturable product. We understand the design and manufacturing side of things. Our customers may not necessarily. So what we do is we essentially just match up the design capabilities, the manufacturing know-how, and the expertise that we have with what a customer actually wants. This is the point where it maybe is one of the most crucial steps, where we sit down and we start to go through what their idea is, what's important about it, what are they trying to accomplish with it, does their idea make sense? And from there, we can take it to the next step, which is the actual design. So this is 3D modeling often. This is trying to create a visualization of what that idea that they had in their heads actually looks like when you get something that it can be rotated and viewed in 3D. Then the exciting part, where that idea actually starts to materialize. So we can create a three-dimensional version, a physical representation of that idea. That can be 3D printing, that can be CNC, that can be made out of metal or wood or whatever the case may be, whatever's most relevant to the type of idea we've got. From there, typically there will be multiple rounds of evaluation of that prototype. What works about it? What doesn't work about it? Does it look the way we want it to? Does it feel the way that it should when held in a customer's hands, for example? And then we'll go back and we'll make iterations to the design, changes to the design, updates to the design, do more prototypes, do more physical products before we finally get to the last step in the process, which is making something that is exactly what the customer was looking for. Maybe they didn't even realize that's what they were looking for, but ultimately it's the product that they wanted it to be, and that it's manufacturable for injection molding or final production processes. So ultimately our clients come to us because they've got a problem and they need it solved. And at HartSmart Products, we're problem solvers. And so we can bring our design and manufacturing expertise to the table to solve the problem that our clients have.